In Vertex products, it's now possible to add state-specific and user-specific function menu above the context menu. To the menu, you can add exactly those functions you need the most. Different states have their own menus. This means that you can add different functions in modeling state and in drawing state. You can edit the function menu by opening the context-sensitive menu and selecting the settings icon above it. All the possible functions are in the function tree on the left side of the window. Add a function to the menu by selecting Insert to Menu. You can change the order of the functions in the menu by dragging them on the list. Drawing pop-up functions, which have previously appeared on a small floating window, are now above the context-sensitive menu. There appears a line of boxes next to the cursor to indicate that there are pop-up functions in the context-sensitive menu. Now editing keyboard shortcuts in Vertex products is easier than before. Select File, Preferences, and Keyboard Shortcuts. On the left side, there are all available functions in a function tree, and on the right side, there are the keyboard shortcuts that are in use. You can add a new keyboard shortcut by selecting a function from the tree and selecting Define Shortcut from the context-sensitive menu. Now press the desired keys for the shortcut. You can press either one key or multiple keys. If the function already had a shortcut, the previous shortcut will appear in the default shortcut column. Note that you probably shouldn't change the common Windows shortcuts like Ctrl and C for copying or Ctrl and S for saving. You should also remember to tell about your custom keyboard shortcuts if you contact the Vertex help desk. All of the functions in the video work in the same way in all Vertex products.